Okay, so hi YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a oven baked clay, which is now killing for polymer clay, but apparently is also called squishy clay and can be baked in the microwave. But I'll show you my little one. So you're gonna need is a mixing bowl, some vegetable oil, which I don't have over here. I don't know why. So I'll be right back.
Get my calendar changed.
So today I'm going to be making a half batch. I repeat, a half batch. So I'm going to be making a full batch, so it has to be about this much squishy clay. Clay, I guess. I mean, it could be squishy clay, could be unbaked clay. I guess it kind of depends on how you're using it for. So you're going to take a half a cup of flour. But if you're making a full batch, it'd be a cup of flour. Now I don't have my knife over here. I don't have a knife over here, I guess. I have to look at one, so that's not the best measuring device. That's okay. And you're going to need that. And half of 1/4 cup of salt. So I'm kind of guessing here. Probably about right. Now I'm just going to mix them together. And then get a 1/4 cup of water. It's like a sugar cookie recipe, like, because at this moment it seems sugar cookie-ish. Okay, so anyways. Right now, oh, I'm not even having you looking down at it. That's okay, you know what I did. So right now it should look like that, kind of clumpy. So that's just the 1/4 cup of water. I just have a cup of water or something like this. So you pour it in here. Now I'm going to take a half a tablespoon, a half. What?
We only have like 65 to 66 days till we go back to school.
Ew.
It's July tomorrow. July is 31, then August has 30, no, August is 31, and we'll have 30 days in September maybe. So, we don't have long. 60, 31, and 31. 62.
Okay, so now I'm just going to put my
65.
hands in there and kind of cut it like a bit. It's still a bit dry, so I'm going to add a bit more water, not a bunch more. Not even a 1/4 cup. I'm just going to add about that. Just going to add probably about that much, probably about half of a 1/4 cup, about as much salt as we added. So now it's going to be too wet, so we can add the best we can. So that is a 1 cup. Okay, now the other part is being too wet. So we're going to take our flour. And we're going to get our bowl close to the bed, obviously. And just sprinkle, 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 some on there. Now we're just going to kind of play with it with our hands a bit more. And it's still way wet. So dry our hands off again. Best you can. Take your fingers in your flour bag. Make it rain some flour. I think this camera gonna get us. It's real, almost like
Why is that cabinet open? Okay.
it should feel almost like pizza crust. Just a little bit. Right on down here. Yes. Guys, scrape as much off the bottom as you can. It's a bit floury. That's okay. We'll try to work it in there because some of it's really sticky yet too. So now, sticky clay, or squishy, or make clay should look like this. And it seems clearly unsticky, but always take a bit more flour just to be sure. Because it's a bit sticky at the bottom of it. So I'm going to go a little closer and just make it a bit of flour, not too much. I may have just overdone it there, but that's okay. And I haven't used too much of your time, so I'm actually going to show you how to make a squishy bun. I'm just going to go wash out my hands quick.
Do you know your phone's almost dead?
Yes, I'm well aware of that. Okay, so I'm back, and you can use, like I said, or I didn't really mention this earlier, but you can use pretty much any tools because it's all safe and edible materials: flour, salt, oil, water, safe, edible. I think, at least. I mean, what person wouldn't? But anyways. I'm going to take our clay, which you did good because they both feel like the same consistency. Okay, so I'm going to try to make a squishy bun, which is squishy clay form. This could also be oven baked clay on I think 200 for about 20 minutes, depending upon your oven, obviously. But a squishy bun, I'm just going to show you how to make that. But this will also look. This is really good for like polymer clay creations, but it saves a lot of money, so you don't have to buy polymer clay. And what you're going to want to do is just kind of round it off, and then just kind of roll it up. Good. So you're going to make it a ball for this. Make it a nice little ball, forming a ball. Then just kind of bun it up. I really didn't know what squishy clay was until after finding out that this was the same recipe and looking it up, and then finding out what a squishy bun was. But I like to put little X's in there, and I actually attempted to make 2 squishy buns. You put these in the microwave for about 15 seconds, depending upon the size of the squishy bun. I'm going to show you the 2 I made. It's going to be my first time experience, I guess. Okay, so my best tip about squishy buns is make sure you cook them for 15 seconds. Not 15 minutes, because it also turns out like that, and you're not supposed to. You're supposed to turn out something like that. Well, I think it'll make too hard. So actually, I'm going to go cook mine, and I shall show you what it looks like when it gets done. So give me 15 seconds.
Sam said to do that? Oh, that's surprising. What? What'd she say? About you, like, lying to her? Allison said none of it would have happened if John didn't bring it up. She said that John said something about them all.
John.
You can't get mad at John for it, 'cause he didn't really know.
It's not his fault.
What?
It's not his fault. I don't.
Yeah. You have other friends besides Sam, right?
I don't.
And Allison. We had fun with John. It's so awesome.
Okay, so I also have like really sensitive hands. You only have my holder, but I always grab them just in case. And this thing is really hot right now. So I'm just gonna scoop it off with this guy. And it's supposed to look like this, and it is actually, I'm going with that like that might be confusing for you. So cooked too long, way too long. Cooked a bit too long, and this is cooked just right. So it's not hard. It's squishy. But yeah, it's not like really squishy, but it is squishy, so that's kind of why it's called squishy clay, guys. So I'm gonna go, and yeah, tell me how you like it, and I'm gonna try and make a video every Tuesday. But today's not Tuesday, but guess what? I'm busy on Tuesday, so get on my back, okay? Okay, goodbye.
What's on Tuesday that you're